We have a lot of ongoing developments to talk about today in the cryptocurrency market and also two projects that you might want to keep an eye on. My name is Trevor, also known as Mint and Max, and let's dive into today's news video. So first things first, let's just talk about what is pumping. So first of all, we have Filecoin actually at close to 20% in the past 24 hours. We also have ICP up 7.68%. We have the Graph up 14%. We have Multiverse. We also have Pepe is up 14%, and we have a few others. So the market is looking really green in the past 24 hours. In the past 7 days, it's also looking fairly green with Compound up 73%. So overall, the market is looking fairly good. Now, let's talk about the Bitcoin ETF. So as mentioned in our video last week, the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, splashed the waters when it filed with the SEC to launch a Bitcoin spot exchange traded fund. So while it was definitely not the first to try its luck, it was unquestionably the largest financial entity to do so. Considering that there is no spot ETF, if the application is approved, fund managers will finally be able to invest in Bitcoin in a way that's not having to deal with the keys and also with self-custody. So in the past week, Fidelity and also ARK Invest also became the latest firms to double down on their own ETF applications since the BlackRock news. And also they joined others including Invesco, WisdomTree, Valkyrie, and also Bitwise. However, on Friday, reports appeared to indicate that insiders at the US securities regulator believe that the filings by BlackRock and Fidelity, and by extension everyone else, are insufficient. In this line, exchange operator Cboe actually refiled an application with the US securities regulator to launch the Bitcoin ETF by Fidelity, saying that it would work with global crypto exchange Coinbase to prevent market manipulation. Now, next, let's talk about Canadian legislators and their call for national crypto strategy. So in matters of crypto legislation, Canadian lawmakers are the latest to express support for digital assets. And in this case, the lawmakers in the House of Commons published a report supporting the blockchain and cryptocurrencies. The report recommends recognizing blockchain as an emerging industry with economic opportunities and job creation potential. It suggests prioritizing self-custody rights, ensuring safe access to digital assets, and establishing a national blockchain strategy involving experts, entrepreneurs, academics, investors, and the AI industry. Additionally, the report proposes pursuing international cooperation, conducting innovative pilot projects, adopting specific regulations for stablecoins, establishing federally regulated cryptocurrency custodians, and facilitating banking and insurance services for blockchain firms. Suppose the group recommends creating a national strategy for cryptocurrencies. In that case, it will be a major development in the crypto space, since Canada would become one of the major global economies to have a clear plan for digital assets. Next, let's talk about MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor. So Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy bought 12,000 Bitcoin just recently for $347 million, and they're currently holding $4.6 billion of Bitcoin at a total of $152,000. And they're also just slightly in the positive zone, considering their average is right above $29,000. So people were roasting Michael Saylor when Bitcoin was trading at around $17,000, $16,000. But now people, aren't really saying a whole lot because they're in the green, they're in the positive. So it's looking really good for Michael Saylor and, in their Bitcoin holdings, considering that everyone was roasting them once Bitcoin was trading at, fairly low prices. Now, next, we also have to talk about this, which is AI generated fake news sparks rumors of Gary Gensler's resignation. A lot of this was talked about and purported on Twitter and various other sources, but these were actually completely fake, and it's not true. So make sure not to believe that. And there's actually an AI detector called ZeroGPT that found out that there was just a bunch of AI generated text that was being purported, and this is a complete false lie. So Gary Gensler is not leaving the SEC, as most would hope. Now, if you guys want a safe and simple way to store your assets, check out Tangem. Yes, Tangem. No more endless passwords to remember, no more fear of losing access to your digital fortune. So Tangem is here, and it's also revolutionizing the way that you hold and use your cryptocurrencies. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, Tangem offers unmatched security, simplicity, and also convenience. Join the hundreds of thousands of people who have already embraced the future of finance with Tangem. It's time to take control of your digital assets and enjoy the freedom to spend, save, and invest like never before. Use the link at the top of the description below to get a 10% discount on your purchase. This video is not sponsored by Tangem, but it is an affiliate link. So I just want you guys to know that. And I also made a review about the Tangem wallet in my last video, so make sure to check that out. All right, now when it comes to market analysis, following the SEC's identification of errors in the Bitcoin ETF application, Bitcoin experienced a slight decline, dropping below the $31,000 level. And however, it is actually currently trading still at $31,000. So it dipped, and then now it is back up just slightly. Now, when it comes to other assets that are doing really well in the past 7 days, we have Compound leading the way, and it's up 77%. So it's been trading really well recently. It's up to the 80th position. And also we have eCash or XEC, that's up 45% in the past 7 days. And then we have Maker, which is up to almost $1,000, which is crazy. In the past 24 hours, it's up close to 20%, so it's doing really well. I definitely love Maker. And then we also have Flow, we have Saylor, and then we have Bitcoin Cash still doing really well in the past 7 days. We even have Bitcoin SV as well. So some of the sleeping giants like Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV have been trading really well. Now, let's talk about some projects to keep an eye on this week. First of all, we have Syscoin or SYN. So SYN is a decentralized blockchain platform that facilitates fast and secure peer-to-peer transactions. In recent months, there has been a notable increase in network development activity, indicating enhanced utility for the platform. Launched in 2014, Syscoin aims to provide a scalable infrastructure for decentralized applications or dApps and token issuance by combining Ethereum-style programmability with Bitcoin's security features. One of the significant recent developments by Sys Labs, the developer behind the Syscoin blockchain, is introducing a layer 2 network called Rolux. And this network enables faster and more cost-effective transactions like the main Syscoin blockchain. Rolux is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which is EVM, and it's the software responsible for executing smart contracts on the Ethereum network. And Rolux leverages the capabilities offered by SuperDApp, an AI-enhanced Web3 social platform. And ahead of the official mainnet release of Rolux, Sys Labs has formed alliance with various Web3 teams. Consequently, the first wave of products is nearing launch on the Rolux network. And this solution guarantees fast transaction speeds, scalability, bandwidth, and a user-friendly experience with minimal transaction fees. Furthermore, it maintains high levels of decentralization and security through merge mining with Bitcoin, and the increased adoption of the Rolux network is expected to have an impact on the valuation of Sys, which has typically traded in line with the broader cryptocurrency market. And currently, Sys is trading at around 12 cents right now. And in the past day, it's up 3.4%. And in the past 7 days, it's still been trading down, but still definitely an interesting development to talk about. Next, we have Frax Shares. So Frax Shares, or FXS, functions as a digital currency associated with the Frax protocol, which is an Ethereum-based decentralized stablecoin protocol. Now, recently, the protocol has witnessed a surge in development activities, which is anticipated to generate interest in FXS. Now, a significant advancement in this regard is the announcement made by Frax Finance regarding the creation of a second layer solution on the Ethereum network. And this forthcoming network will utilize a token dubbed FRX ETH for gas payments and will incorporate optimistic rollups alongside zero knowledge proofs or ZKPs. Now, the new blockchain known as Frax Chain will be fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine or EVM, providing an easily programmable environment for various decentralized applications. Now, all assets within the Frax Finance ecosystem will be natively accessible on Frax Chain. Through Frax Chain's decentralized bridge known as Frax Ferry, users can transfer their assets to the new network. Now, additionally, users will be encouraged to stake their assets as well. Now, these are going to be synthetic assets, and this will then earn an extra yield on their liquidity. Now, consequently, this new blockchain will offer an exceptional solution to many challenges the modern Layer 2 or L2 ecosystem faces. Now, while these recent developments are underway, the price has actually gone above $6 in the past day, which is looking really good. Now, in the past 7 days, it's up 10%, and it's trading at the 83rd position when we're taking a look at the market cap. And overall, the price point is still at a major low, considering that it was at an all-time high price point previously at around, it looks like, $41 back in 2022. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for this video. Now, coming up soon, I have the top trending cryptos of the week. I also am going to be coming out with another video about some different trading ideas, and of course, got a full lineup of other cryptos to talk about. So if you guys like the video, then make sure to like and also subscribe. So mint me a subscription down below if you want to watch more of this content. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one.